Hey guys, as promised, I'm going to give you a peek at another room style here at Town & Country Resort in San Diego. I showed you a peek at our King Suite, and now I'm going to give you a look at a Snazzy Queen Room. All the details will be down below, but I want you to see the different room style options at this property. As you might know, if you've seen my other video, I'm absolutely smitten with Town & Country Resort. It is incredible. So make sure to go watch that other video. Again, details are all down below, but here's a peek at what the Snazzy Queen Room looks like. I think this resort is perfect for families, business travel, conventions, conferences, you name it. This just feels like a diamond in the rough here, right in San Diego, so you're close to all the things, but I also feel like you wouldn't need all the things. You could just come straight to this property and stay right here. It's so good. And again, all these little touches, it's so groovy. It's just got that chill retro throwback that you're gonna love. And again, go watch my other video if you wanna see more details on that, but just such a fun place. All the little touches, you're gonna walk in and feel like you just stepped into the best vacation ever. Love these whiteboards right when you come into the room. We'll leave a little message here on the board. Just little tiny fun touches everywhere. Love it. So I'll give you a peek at what this room style looks like. I want to show you again the view from this room as well. And then you can check out all the different property videos and the pool tours that I have on my YouTube channel as well. But just check this out. It is so well done. They've done a remodel here and they've really tried to keep it with that, you know, fun mid-century modern look, but it does feel really upscale. This feels like a luxury property to me, even with all of the fun decor and things. And it's clean, it smells good, the staff is super friendly. But this view, check this out. This is out on the patio balcony. You can just come out here and sit and take it all in, the whole property. I love the sky and the views from here. And this vintage retro swimmer sign is so cool. She spins around the restaurant lappers, but also kind of ties this all together with that whole feel. I think you're gonna love it here, and I think you'll find that you just found your new favorite little family getaway destination. Just super unique property. I'm super impressed. I always get really excited when I find something that I know you're gonna love and that I feel super good about recommending. So again, all of the details will be down below. Make sure to watch my other video though for more details on this property. I think it's a winner if you can't tell. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.